Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we're doing slow wine. There's nothing slow about it though. This is a nice up-tempo beat. You'll have a lot of fun, all right? It's a four-wall dance, and this version I'm going through is 2.5 counts of 8. There are other versions out there, but this is the most common one that I see, so let's do it. All right, so I'm going to turn my back to make it easier to follow. This is my right. This is my left, right? First count of 8 are heel steps and a dip, right? So it starts with the right. Right heel, left heel, and then 2 right heels. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Right, left, right, right. Okay? From there, we're going to right, left, right, right. We're going to step with the left, step up and dip for 2 counts. So 5, 6. Okay. So right, left, right, right, step left, 5, 6, and then back 7 and 8. So left, right, left. Okay. Let's try that much. 5, 6, start with the right. Right heel, left heel, 2 right heels, step left, dip, and back, right, left. Okay. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right heel, left heel, 2 right heels, step, dip, and left, right, left. Okay. And the count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 5, 6, back 7 and 8. Okay. We got it? All right. So from here, the second count of 8 are half turns with cha-cha half turns. You got 2 of them, okay? So we just went 7 and 8. We're going to step back with the right, rock back right, and then forward left. And then this is, we're going to do the cha-cha half turn on the right. 1, 2, 3, right, left, right. And then we're going to step back, okay? So let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock back, right, left, half turn, right, left, right. Okay. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right. Make sure you turn half turn, right? So now you're facing the back. Okay. And then you're going to do another one, but this time you're going to start on your left foot. So you're going to go left, right, half turn, left, right, left. 3 steps. Okay. So let's try both of those turns. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock forward, right, left, right, rock back on the left, forward, left, right, left. Okay. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, turn 1, 2, 3. Left, right, turn 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's count it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. Right? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, turn 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. Okay? Right? Those are the 2 counts of 8. And then the way that it ends, to get to the next wall, you're going to rock back, right, left, and then you're going to do a quarter turn, right, left. And now you're facing the next wall. And that's the dance. It is that simple. Okay. So let us put those 2.5, 8 counts together. We'll go real slow. Okay. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, right, left, right, right, left, dip, and left, right, left. Now back, rock, turn, and back, rock, turn. Now back, rock, and step with a quarter turn. Okay. Let's do it again. Let's keep facing this wall, the next wall. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, right. Step, dip, and back. Now rock and right, right, rock and left, left. Okay? And then rock and turn with a quarter turn. Start over. Right, left, right, right. Now dip and left, right, left. Now back and half turn. Now back and half turn. Now back and rock, rock. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, dip, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now back, 2, 3, and 4, back, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. How simple, all right? So much fun, okay? It's a nice upbeat song, so you'll enjoy it. So let's get a little taste with the music, all right? So you can see how it flows, okay?
Yeah, baby. Let's go.
Girl, you looking good out on the dance floor. The way you moving got me watching, got me wanting more.
That's right.
I'm trying to hold back.
Yes.
Don't want to lose control, cause you're throwing it all back. And I
Gotta take a step back, cause you're so fine. I'm losing my mind watching you slow wine. The way you move, you're teasing me, girl.
All right, guys, that is the slow wine instructional. Hope you enjoyed learning it as much as I enjoyed teaching it. All right, so do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think. Send me some comments. All right, let me know what you want to learn. I am here for you. All right, until next time, y'all get out there and have fun. All right, love you guys. Mwah.